Hey there, stargazers! Get ready to dive into one of the most mesmerizing and amazing events the night sky has to offer: meteor showers. Have you ever been outside at night, looked up, and seen a streak of light zooming across the sky? That's not a shooting star, that's a meteor, and we're about to uncover the science behind these incredible cosmic light shows. First things first, what exactly is a meteor? Well, meteors are bits of space debris, usually tiny pieces of dust or rock that enter Earth's atmosphere at super high speeds. They can be as small as a grain of sand, but when they hit the atmosphere, they create that bright flash we see zipping across the sky. And if you're fortunate, you'll see dozens of these flashes during a meteor shower. So, what's a meteor shower? A meteor shower happens when Earth passes through a trail of dust and debris left behind by a comet. Comets are icy objects that travel around the sun, and as they get close to it, the heat causes parts of them to break off, leaving behind a long trail of dust, rocks, and ice. Every year, Earth passes through these trails, and when that happens, we get treated to a meteor shower. One of the most famous meteor showers is the Perseids, which happens every August. It's caused by the debris left behind by the comet Swift-Tuttle. As Earth plows through the comet's trail, those little bits of dust burn up in our atmosphere, creating bright streaks of light in the sky. During the peak of the Perseids, you might see up to 60 meteors an hour. Imagine that, one every minute. Now here's a fun fact. When these tiny bits of comet debris enter our atmosphere, they're traveling at speeds of 30,000 to 160,000 miles per hour. That's why they burn up so quickly and give off that bright flash. Most meteors burn up completely before they reach the ground. But if one does make it, it's called a meteorite. So next time you see a meteor, just think about how fast that little rock is going. You might be wondering, how do we know when a meteor shower is going to happen? Well, because the Earth follows the same path around the sun every year, astronomers can predict exactly when we'll pass through the debris trails left by comets. That means you can plan ahead for your meteor watching nights. There are several major meteor showers throughout the year, like the Geminids in December, the Orionids in October, and of course the Perseids in August. But why are meteor showers named after constellations? Great question. Meteor showers are named after the constellation where the meteors appear to originate. For example, the Perseids are named after the constellation Perseus, because if you trace the meteors' paths backward, they seem to come from that part of the sky. It's like the meteors are all radiating out from one point. Now, let's talk about the best way to see a meteor shower. First, find a dark spot away from city lights. The darker the sky, the more meteors you'll be able to see. You don't need any special equipment, no telescopes or binoculars. Just lay back, relax, and keep your eyes on the sky. Meteor showers usually peak after midnight, so be ready to stay up late. And remember, patience is key. Sometimes you might go a few minutes without seeing anything, but when that bright streak flashes across the sky, it's totally worth the wait. Another cool thing about meteor showers is that they've been happening for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations used to watch meteor showers too, and some cultures even believed they were messages from the gods. Today, we know it's all about science, but that doesn't take away from the beauty and wonder of watching a meteor shower unfold. One thing to keep in mind is that not every meteor shower is a big show. Some years are better than others depending on how dense the debris trail is. And sometimes the moon can be a bit of a party crasher. If the moon is too bright, it can wash out the fainter meteors, making it harder to see them. But don't worry, there are plenty of opportunities to catch a meteor shower each year. Let's talk about the Leonids for a moment. This meteor shower happens every November, and once every 33 years, it puts on an incredible show. In some years, the Leonids can produce thousands of meteors per hour, turning the sky into a dazzling display of light. This kind of event is called a meteor storm, and it's one of the most breathtaking sights you could ever see. And here's a fun activity for you to try during a meteor shower. Grab a few friends and count how many meteors you see. It's a great way to stay engaged and makes the experience even more fun. You can also try to spot the different colors of meteors. Some burn bright white, while others might have a hint of red, yellow, or even green, depending on what they're made of. It's like a natural fireworks show in the sky. All right, stargazers, let's recap. Meteors are bits of space debris that burn up in Earth's atmosphere, and a meteor shower happens when Earth passes through the dusty trail left behind by a comet. These cosmic events can be predicted, giving us plenty of chances to see them every year. So next time you hear about a meteor shower, grab a blanket, find a dark spot, and look up. Who knows? You might just catch one of the most awesome shows the universe has to offer. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the wonders of meteor showers. Keep your eyes on the skies and happy stargazing. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own standout videos like this one? Just click the link in the description to get started.